Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, by his irresponsible statement on status of Goa, has given me this opportunity. It is yet another U-turn by the BJP government and leadership to deceive the people of Goa. So the last aspiration of people of Goa is the special status. And I did not know our Chief Minister is so much ignorant what we are asking for. The people of Goa is not asking for any financial dole or financial package from the central government. That is what he has stated yesterday. What we are demanding of the government, and both the governments, Congress government of Digambar Kamat passed a unanimous resolution in the Goa Assembly. Mr. Parekar's government, of which Mr. Parsekar was an honorable minister, passed a unanimous resolution whom he recently demoted. So if it is an internal matter of the BJP, then it should be confined for the four walls of the BJP party. And you cannot insult the sentiments of the people of Goa, because you are also committing a contempt of the assembly, because there are unanimous resolution. And I want to know how long this BJP government is going to hoodwink the people of Goa from the main issues. Corruption is rampant. In the name of development, corruption is rampant. There is corruption in the backyard of the Honorable Chief Minister. I don't want to go into details. You know it. Because if I make an attempt to raise it, then somebody will come, to induce me not to raise that matter. That is what is happening here. So, when the BJP leader, Mr. Narendra Modi, the candidate of BJP Prime Ministerial candidate, came to Goa in May, he said so, that Goans will get special status. He subsequently came here and kept quiet, and when I asked him about that question after becoming Prime Minister, it is the manifesto of the BJP party. And I think if the government goes in this fashion, people of Goa are very much educated, they are enlightened, and they will react. And I think they will react in the interest of Goa. Because I feel, as I have already given you the list, what has been done by the Congress leadership for Goa, the only thing which is remaining, I think people will have to come to the Congress to give them the special status. And I am sure only Congress can give this special status.